Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today, we are going to be looking into finding vulnerable Redis Commander servers. This surefire method can show users results exceeding 200 vulnerable and exploitable databases. But before we move on, let's talk about what is a Redis Commander. Redis, a short abbreviation of Remote Dictionary Server, is a project that queries data with key through a key-value store database. Plenty of sites use this memory-based database management system because it operates quicker than regular disk storage databases. Services such as Facebook, Instagram and Tumblr use Redis databases frequently. We will show you how these Redis Commander servers are exposed on the Internet and how to protect them by showing you common weaknesses in ways these pages are exposed online. You can find Redis Commander servers using the title filter with the Redis Commander keyword. Criminal IP offers refined search results by providing the commonly used favicon here. While we can search with both keywords, we will be searching for Redis Commander servers by using the favicon filter on Criminal IP Asset Search. Accessing one of these Redis Commander webpages shows unprotected sensitive data like login information and user token value. Always be cognizant of database security, and make sure that your Redis Commander servers aren't exposed on the open web. Cybersecurity is a field that requires constant vigilance. We will see you again with another search tip.